So this lady has been taking water to the nomadic people who are the worst affected.
So we are here in the Buuhoodle town. Most of the livestock has been dead. 75% has been dead. Yesterday we are visiting some of family, and that family has got the 500 and goats and sheep. The rest of that livestock, it was 40. So how many camels? That means how many goats has been dead? It's a 460 goats and sheep already has finished. And that family was 11 children and women and father. And there has no even 1 liter water sources. So they need to help urgently international community. Should be assist for this community very soon as possible.
So very serious needs here.
People come in the morning queuing for their jerrycan. They bring, most of them bring them on their backs, the females, or they use a donkey.
Even this morning, very early, we are coming here. Up to now, we don't have water.
We'll be looking closely at best ways that we can work with and empower local people.
So it's the priorities. Number one is water. Secondly, it's food and medicine and shelter. Yeah. 8 years old.
8.
Yeah.
I have a daughter who is 6. We have brought in IV fluids and medication, and so we're just working really closely with the local people. Another daughter who is 1. I have 2 daughters.
Yeah. Laba gabdhood baan leeyahay. Tiin ku reysano. Xaaladda abaarta sida ay tahay situation.
Wallahi ta abaarta waad aragtaan. Dadku say biyaha u dhaansanayaan. Xoolaha waad aragtaan, dadku xoolihi way ka dhamaadeen. Geeli baa wax yaraad ka sii aragtaan. Arigii waaba dhamaadeen.
Haye.
Dadkii waa kuwa qayb riigan bay joogtaa, qayb riigaas bay joogtaa. qayb meel bay magaalada ka soo gasho wada qoxoontiinta leeyihiin dadku. Dadku sidaad u ogtahay way xanuunsanayaan.
Okay, the people were sick.
dhakhtarka way ugu buuxaa dadku dhakhtarka laftiisa caawin uga baahan yihiin daawo u baahan yihiin daryeel caafimaad oo fara badan bay u baahan yihiin waxay u baahan yihiin waxay cunaan oo akala oo la siiyo.
Said you see the hospital already was full. The people were sick. They need medicine, urgently medicines. They need also food. They need also shelters. There is no already the rooms is been full. So also the patient they are coming minute by minute more.
dadku waliba way sii kala jilicsan yihiin dadka baadiyaha dadka xanuunka dadka ugu badan ee xanuunsanaya hadeer ee dhakhtarka soo buux dhaafiyay waa dadka baadiyaha in la daryeel caafimaad loo keeno u baahan in maxay ahaatay xagga qatliyoonka laga caawiyo u baahan in xagga maxay ahaatay wax kasta oo ma garanaysaa meel hooy xataa ma haystaan buushasha.
You know, the people who was two parts. You know, the major people who was very bad situation is the nomadic people. No one can assist. So that people they need to assist.
hadeerta inta hawdkan anu Buuhoodle iyo meeshan la yiraahdo Goljanno ilaa intii heegaale ilaa Coombaal eriyadan maxay nawaaxiga Buuhoodle dhan xanuunkan uu saameeyay. Shangalle soo joogto horfadhi meygaagle eegaag Goljanno yeyle.
So many for these areas, northwest.
The main goal now is getting the need out for this area of Somalia. We want to help all of Somalia. Has she seen any foreign assistance in this area?
No, there is no international community. There is no even locals.
It's really serious right here in the city and for people within the walking distance. But this lady's been taking it even further out. So thank you very much. Thank you. So the man in charge of water and the machinery is here, and he's given us an update about the situation, as well as Dr. Ali, who's responsible for this area and these people. Very important. Not only people water needs are met, but their livestock.
Maybe they drink the water, so they cannot stand up now. Wait, they cannot stand up. So the people they are coming, they are to help to stand up.